Okay guys, so we are using Slido and this is what you all did for me. Why are supply chain management objectives important to the company you work for? So I read the first point already. Second point you all made. Someone said a well-managed supply chain. A well-managed supply chain would significantly reduce all of the operating expenses related to that chain, which contributes to greater profit. All right, nice, good point. Tactical and well-established operations management driven by a strategy helps companies to understand the market, plan and deliver cost-effective quality products and services, sustain competitiveness in the market, and hence achieve the organizational goals. Yes, good point. This is an engine manufacturing company, hence supply chain management objectives are extremely important for the following reasons. One, maintain raw materials and attachment items at a cost-effective level to manufacture engines on schedule. Two, having cost-effective promoting cost effectiveness. Three, increasing production. Four, optimizing stock levels of engines and parts based on current and forecasted markets. All right, very good. Five, achieving customer satisfaction by meeting required lead times. Very good. Six, increase profitability from engines and parts. I'm seeing some short ones: on-time delivery, cost control, improving supply chain finance programs, improving supply chain finance program. That's the same thing. Supply chain management is defined as a flow of products and services which starts from raw materials and ends at the final consumer. One, a supply chain management objectives are important to my company. All right. Okay, they have Emirates Flight Catering. It leverages profitability since the company is dealing with a wider scale of customers buying in bulk and so forth. Very good. Excellent. All right. When we trying to read as much as I can, that one is a bit long. Boost customer service. Boost customer service, reduce operating costs, improve financial position, increases cash flow. Very good. Supply chain management is very important as it helps to reduce cost, improve the overall organization's performance. Yes, I agree with that. They ensure, Ray, you all did a good job. They ensure efficiency in production of products to customers in the right quality, quantity, and time. They also help in managing waste, thereby ensuring increasing profits. Supply chain management improves efficiency in procurement and distribution costs and helps to reduce spending. Very good. Awesome. And I have here to improve overall business performance, gain competitiveness, increase a competitive edge. I work at Unmanned Systems, Jones, Arabia. We are a UAV and AI research development company, startup that tailor customer solutions and so on. In terms of supply chains, we don't exactly have one since we don't have any manufacturing process. However, in terms of services delivered, we need to ensure that we work with appropriate suppliers who supply us with drones from GCC and so on. Okay, good. All right, nice. Okay, thanks for sharing. Thank you very much.